Welcome back, construction tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into some of the most innovative heavy-duty equipment on the market, from powerful hydraulic lifts to state-of-the-art fuel security systems. These machines are transforming logistics and transport, making operations safer, more efficient, and incredibly precise. Whether you're looking to prevent fuel theft, optimize aerodynamics for cost savings, or even upgrade your tire performance, these solutions have you covered. Stick around to see what each of these impressive pieces of equipment can do and how they're changing the game. DHLM is a hydroboard, that is, a device that allows lifting and lowering loads. Model number 10 is ready for a load of up to 2,200 pounds. The more advanced model number 20 can handle 4,400 pounds. In both cases, the platform is automatically lowered to ground level. These models also feature a combination of 2 hydraulic cylinders, each for lifting and tilting. For variety, the customer is given the choice between aluminum and steel. In the first case, the platform will be lighter. In the second case, it will be stronger. Its width varies. The maximum width is approximately 100 inches, and DHLM 10 has a minimum width of about 49 inches. A typical truck tank holds about 132 gallons of fuel. For the driver, it's a way to get from point A to point B, but for thieves, it's practically liquid gold. Last year, a gallon of diesel at U.S. gas stations carried a price tag of $4.50. Not a bad thing to make sure that money doesn't end up wasted, right? The iCAP system was launched for that reason. Its key element is special gas tank caps. If a thief tries to open them, an alarm is triggered. The GPS tracking option is also interesting for fleets. Thanks to it, you can see at a glance exactly from which truck the thief is trying to drain the fuel. In addition, iCAP saves the history of opening and closing the tank. Tied to the fuel and development of Flow Below Aro Inc. They are already used in many fleets in the United States and save their owners an incredible amount of money every year. Specialists of the company rely on special elements developed with the support of aerospace technology. They drastically improve aerodynamics, so that with the help of wheel covers alone, a typical truck saves 2.6 gallons of fuel for every 1,000 miles of travel. The developers are so confident in their solutions that they want to reach a total savings of 1.8 billion gallons by 2030. A worthy goal, so let's not distract them. Fans of road themes have probably already recognized the mechanism on the screen. This is the Robson Drive, which appears online under the operational nickname Bear. It's used to improve drivability. No tricks, just a good knowledge of the hardware. The drive axle of the technique rotates a small drum, which in turn spins the wheels of the non-drive axle. Due to its simplicity and convenience, the Robson Drive has taken root not only in the projects of numerous self-builders, but also in serial tractors. When you mix 20-plus years in trailer design and the near experience of a semi-trailer business owner, you get Kboom. Kboom is a line of trailers that allows you to tow a second tractor and drive a car at the same time. A luxury item, at least for the US market, where statistically about 68% of all goods are delivered by tractor trailers. The Kboom hydraulics can be commanded from a remote control. Ramps are included for convenience, and the best part is that the Kboom is compatible with tri-axle tractors. beyond the boundaries of innovation and imagination. This is how the heavy wash IntraWash is advertised by its developers. It is the world's first automatic model for internal cleaning of refrigerated trailers and shipping containers. It is internationally patented, removes dirt, destroys bacteria, and works so fast that it takes from 3 to 6 minutes for a 52-foot-long refrigerator, depending on the washing program. One of the secrets of speed is the pumps. 12 nozzles, 1,014 psi pressure, and 33 gallons of water every minute. It's powerful, and the advanced control system allows you to combine several chemical cleaning agents at once. The team at Aperia Technologies modestly calls itself the world leader in tire inspection and reports that about half of all trucks have tires that are below the recommended pressure. Why is this important? If inflated properly, fuel consumption will be reduced by 2% and thousands of dollars in annual savings per truck. Aperia Technologies engineers developed the Halo system to monitor pressure. The Connecting 3 version supports Bluetooth, RF, CAN, GPS, and LTE for two-way communication. It not only tells the driver the pressure in each tire, but also the temperature and monitors for suspicious vibrations. The sensors are integrated into the inflation device, which is triggered automatically. As a result, the Halo Connect 1.3 system reduces tire-related failures by 70%, and at the same time reduces CO2 emissions by about 6,600 pounds per year per truck. A business in a trailer? Why not? BBM Food Trucks builds models for sandwich bars, pizzerias, ice cream parlors, and other formats. Each trailer master is able to create a completely unique model, from design to equipment. However, there are also ready-made options that only need to be supplemented with products and a smiling salesperson. For example, in a fish store, there is a counter with cooling, a freezer, and everything. Depending on the vehicles available, a more compact and rigidly attached trailer can be ordered, or a larger model, perfect for a come-leave-go scheme. The mentioned fish store, for example, offers a size of about 25 by 8 feet. The Global Air Cylinder Wheels team, or GACW for short, has reinvented the wheel. Yes, it sounds as hackneyed as possible, but this time the novelty is really useful and extremely relevant for mining equipment. What have JCW engineers invented? A steel wheel with integrated air suspension. These are not only sensible, but also very advantageous solutions. Typical OTR tires of a dump truck can cost tens of thousands of dollars per piece, and their resource is sometimes enough for only 6 months. Meanwhile, GACW wheels last as long as a dump truck. They are considered the safest in the industry and are fully recyclable. The Holmes DTU is a detachable device that turns the truck into a hybrid towing and recovery vehicle. This version has been significantly redesigned. In particular, the Holmes DTU now loads the front axle more intelligently and distributes the load more effectively by adjusting the center of gravity. The maximum load capacity of the boom is 35,000 pounds. The device is also suitable for towing, supporting a load of up to 80,000 pounds. The standard equipment includes a planetary winch with a pulling force of 20,000 pounds, as well as a steel cable with a length of 175 feet and a diameter of 0.55 inches. Many van drivers would like to hang a hammock in the cab. 9 out of 10 people shrugged their shoulders in response to this statistic and went back to watching videos with kittens. And the 10th, Stephen Saunders, started his own company and began selling those hammocks to everyone. The truck snoozer model costs $63.50 and has sold more than 900 units worldwide. Measuring 96 by 28 inches, the hammock fits almost any tractor cab and can hold up to 400 pounds. No more sleeping on the seats or curling up with your feet on the dashboard. Saunders also offers the Kid Snoozer hammock, suitable for passenger cars and children up to the age of 11. Welcome to RIGHTTRACK Systems, home of the best rubber tracks for working in an inexpensive direction. The equipment thus pumped up gets up to plus 700% to the passability, much slower to kill the native tires, and confidently feels itself in mud, snow, and other difficult conditions. Besides, RIGHTTRACK Systems tracks can be mounted in just 1 hour and removed in minutes. It is claimed that they are 5 times stronger than truck tires and protect the sidewalls as well. Special rubber is used in the production process, thanks to which the tracks are 100% repairable. The company is happy to take on customized work and has no problem making tracks for a wide variety of equipment from loaders like Bobcat to powerful 3-axle tractors. You've probably seen this scene many times. Sand, gravel, or garbage spills out of the back of a truck. Someone has to clean it up. Pedestrians in the vicinity are clearly not happy, and if the debris is large, it poses a danger to drivers. To avoid problems, Harsh has come up with the Flip and Go canopy. It is also suitable for tipper trailers and effectively holds even loose loads. The drive is either manual or electric at the customer's request, and the trailer length limit is 39 feet. The awning is made of polyester mesh, which means it is resistant to fading and does not absorb water. SAF Holland is one of the world's leading manufacturers of chassis assemblies and components for truck and bus trailers. It has to meet and perform at an incredibly high level. SAF Holland engineers have successfully met this challenge with the CBX Aerobeam suspension line. These are the lightest pneumatic models in the industry. The most powerful one is designed for a load of 30,000 pounds. One of the line's trump cards is the patented swing-align system, which allows for quick axle adjustments without disassembly or replacement of parts. The suspension also stands out with a flow-in design. And for clarity, SAF Holland has arranged a battle of spring and air variations explaining their specifics. The Dutch company Veldwesen deals with cargo platforms, pumps tractors, and helps with renting equipment. In general, it does a lot of useful things, but one day it ran into German legal restrictions. The thing is that Germany banned the operation of 8x4 chassis with a total weight of more than 70,000 pounds. And what do you think? Veldwesen engineers found a way out. They built a truck, which at first glance seems to be a trivial model, but in reality, it's a hybrid. On the frame of the tractor is attached a semi-trailer, which in appearance and strength copies the usual chassis. According to documents, such vehicles are used as tractors, which raises the bar of the permitted total weight up to 88,000 pounds. Milwaukee opened in 1924 and has always had a clear goal of producing the world's best power tools. Now things are going so great that Milwaukee is able to invest more than $200 million in its research and development centers. And in 2022, the Milwaukee Tools brand is among the top 20 fastest-growing brands in America. And it's no wonder, because even the presentation of tools the company is able to turn into an eye-catching show. For example, the Big Red Milwaukee Tractor was relaunched this year. It's a road show with a truck full of a variety of tools. From drills and saws to lighting, there's everything and more. Want to try out that screwdriver over there? You're welcome. Milwaukee's expert advice is included. With tools like these, you could start a supergroup. The MRL Rumble Pro is a more specific piece of equipment. It is designed for road work and helps with continuous or patterned asphalt cutting, marking updates, cable laying, and defect repair. Here is a typical scenario that requires the MRL Rumble Pro. In one pass, the machine processes a strip that is approximately 16 inches wide. The main working tool is this drum. It does not seem too big, but it weighs almost 11,000 pounds. For its cooling, the developers had to build a hopper for 500 gallons of water. At the same time, driving the tractor with MRL Rumble Pro is so simple that one person will be enough. In particular, he will be assisted by a rear-view camera system. In 2021, 121 million tons of hay were produced worldwide. It would seem, so what? It's just dried grass. Except that it generates tens of billions of dollars in cash flows around it. It is logical that many farmers are extremely interested in developments related to hay and straw at the same time. That's exactly what we found at Stinger Inc. This machine is called the Stacker 8500. It is interesting because it is the world's first commercial stacker designed specifically for extra dense square bales. Thanks to a 460 horsepower engine, the machine can reach speeds of up to 55 miles per hour when needed. Cruise control is provided. Driver's comfort in any weather is ensured by air conditioning and heating systems. The cargo platform holds up to 14 bales, and it is realistic to transport them at a speed of 120 bales per hour. The developers of the SCS 300BL Ultra also think along similar lines. This semi-trailer is also very good for transporting bales, both square and round. With dimensions of approximately 42 feet by 8 feet, the SCS 300BL Ultra is easy to drive on public roads. An extremely useful feature of the trailer is the sidewalls. One of them is an ordinary curtain hiding a classic safety cage, while the second one has special straps. Therefore, it is flexible, and thanks to a hydraulic drive can be moved up and down. Thank you for watching. If you found these groundbreaking technologies inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on the latest heavy machinery and logistics innovations. Whether you're in the industry or just a fan of advanced engineering, our channel has you covered with regular updates and deep dives into tools that make a real impact. Let us know in the comments which equipment caught your eye the most, and we'll see you in the next video.